So this is part 2 to the original video. As you can see here, we have the original users who are signed up, Marco, Tony, and Professor Yuan. The passwords here are hashed, which means it just creates some random numbers and characters to create just a randomly generated string, so that anyone who doesn't have authorization to log into our database, they cannot see what the passwords actually are. So here, let's add another user. So let's add Abraham. Just do this. The password again is 789, doesn't really matter. This button here eventually will be able to allow the user to switch between logging in and signing up. I haven't been able to complete that yet. I will try to get that done by next week. So we hit login. And as now we have, before it was just logged in, we actually have a logout button. And I'll click that in a little bit. Just want to show you what happens to make sure that you know that it is connected to the database. So if I reload the page, you see Abraham is added. That's their ID. And this is the hash password. And I believe we set it to 789, but of course it's hashed, so they can't see what it actually is. And we hit log out. Log out takes us back to the main screen. So let's add another person. Oh, it's kind of hard with one hand. Eric, doesn't matter. 456. Logging in. Same thing. Let's refresh this page, and you see that the password is hashed. So one more thing that I have added, let's go back. If the user just puts just some random letter, doesn't matter if they don't put a password, it does not work. There are errors in the form, and it lets you know what. So let's say they just put a password and it doesn't work. And if we go over here, just to make sure that it does not add them, because there were errors, so my code knows that it should not add something to the database that does not work. So let's add Dolly. Again, it doesn't matter. And you can even put characters. So like, let's say THE, the is their password. You log in, you come over here, it adds them, and of course it's hashed. And that's about it.